Jason. Jason.
Call him over there.
Come here. Both of you, come on over here.
Start it up, Mike, so we can hear it.
See the exhaust coming.
Come here, come on.
Yeah.
Come here. Bobby's taking a picture. Come around here. Look at our little egg. Where'd your Andrew run off? Did he run away? He waved. Say hi.
Hey, Mike. Let's get out a minute. Tell us what year your truck is and what kind of engine it's got in it.
What year? What year? Come on, you're embarrassing. Quit it. It's a 1979 Silverado. It's got a 350 engine in it.
No, would you like to go over there and get in the movie, please?
Who? Me?
All of them.
You're not supposed to wave and do stuff.
Yeah.
Act silly. I tried to get him to come over here and he won't do it.
They never propose and you want them to.
Andrew, come over here.
Let's see Carolyn.
Come over
Bob,
here.
take a picture.
Come over here. Let's see how big this truck is up against you. Look at this big old tire.
We went to the Minyards food show and they had a Bigfoot, that real Bigfoot. You know, where the person and the tire is actually bigger than the person. Have you ever seen that? The one that's on TV, I think, all the time.
Well, they've got some tires that they have tires they put on it sometimes that are 10.
This thing, in fact, this one looks little. This was probably Bob, I think. I'm gonna break the camera.
Look at this, man.
That's okay, that's okay.
Where's Lewis?
I hate the people with the cameras.
Yeah, where's Lewis?
He's in the shop.
Well, I'll have to go over and get him just a
He'll like
minute.
it.
He'll never know the
He never
difference.
gets his picture taken. Is this y'all's? Is it yours?
Belongs to his sister.
Tom, you're in our movie. You just snuck up at the wrong time, fella.
Was this a commercial?
Yeah, we're gonna put you on there and see if we can sell your house.
Okay. For sale right there.
Sure is. For sale. Have you had any bites on it?
Nope. It just went on multiple listing this week. Nobody's been out.
Hey, Lewis. You care to be on home movie?
Yeah, come on in.
Well, I'm running out of battery and it's just gonna last me just long enough to get you filmed.
Well, good. I've got something for you.
All right, what you got?
I've got your popcorn out there.
Oh, okay, real good. What you working on?
I'm working on